Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to be doing a walk around and startup video for you of this 1969 Dodge Coronet 500. Now, this car is a 383 with a 4-speed manual transmission. And with all my research I've done and talking to the previous owner as well, there was only around 1,200 of these cars produced with a 4-speed manual transmission and a Dodge Coronet 500. Now, this car is bright red, as you can see, black stripe across the rear of the car. This car has been frame off restored. It's probably been done for 10 to 15 years, and it still looks great. The paint, the body is in very nice shape. The chrome and bright work looks very well. All the glass in the car is in good condition. Just a beautiful car, Magnum 500 wheels with the BF Goodrich radial TA, raised white letter tires. All your door gaps, your body lines on this car are very nice. I say the chrome bumpers are in great shape. A couple little scuffs here on your stainless trim around your tail light bezels, which that's acceptable. And I'm always really critical with all my classic cars here at Kenyon Classics. I'll tell you exactly what they are. We ship these cars all over the country and all over the world. And a lot of times the people never come here to see the cars, so they rely on my videos and my pictures and my descriptions on these cars. That's why I'm just accurate and I show you everything that I see on these cars. Your door jambs are very nice, your kick plates, your bag door jamb. Seats are really in good shape. Carpeting's nice. Dash pad's nice. It's not all cracked or busted. It's got the factory full console in it, 4-speed manual. The lights all seem to work in the car. The car runs good, drives good, sounds good. Door panels are in good shape. Underneath the car, super solid, very nice. I did take pictures, so you will see those on my website as well. A little bit of pitting here on this wing window trim, which that's pretty common on these cars. Beautiful restored 69 Coronet 500. I'll open the hood here and show you underneath the hood. Very nice engine compartment, very nicely detailed. Painted inner fenders and firewall. At the time of the restoration, the engine and transmission were gone through with the new clutch. The brake system was gone through. Like I say, it's been, 10, 15 years ago. I bought a couple cars from the same gentleman. His health was failing, so we bought a couple cars from him. And everything this gentleman had was in very, very nice shape. I got a Super B as well, and I will be picturing that up here yet today, probably just in a little while. Couple small little wrinkles there in that sail panel. Headliner's in good shape. Steering column's nice. Steering is tight on the car. Horn works. It is a hard car to find. You don't see these cars all the time. Nice inside the trunk. It's all painted up. Spare tire and jack. Everything's all there. Jack instructions up there on your trunk. All the seals and all the rubber gaskets in this car appear to be in good shape. They're not hard and brittle like you'd normally see on these cars. Just a gorgeous car. Got a bug here that keeps landing on this car. It's not a speck or a chip or anything, it's a bug. I've swatted him off there a couple times and he keeps landing back on it, so. Let's go in and we'll start this car up. That way you can hear it run. Engine runs excellent. dash all works, speedometer works. Wipers work. If I can get them stopped in the right spot. There we go. Turn signal left, turn signal right. Sounds just like a muscle car should. The car is a gorgeous car. I'd say the body and paint on this car, out of a 1 to 10 scale, I'd give it a 8.5, possibly even a 9. That one headlight needs to be fixed. Whoever buys this car is going to be very happy with it. Beautiful, beautiful 69 Dodge Coronet 500, 383 4-speed. Kenyon Classic Cars, we're in Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450 is our phone number. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. So if you have a classic car you would like to sell, please give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your car. Check out our website. We have over 125 collector cars in stock. I really appreciate everyone watching our videos. And please hit the subscribe button on the bottom of this video. That way you never miss another great collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you have a great day, everybody. Talk to you later.